Megan. I hope all of you guys are doing wonderful. I'm very excited about today's video, my Louis Vuitton Mega Massive Luxury Birthday Unboxing Haul Part 2, including some very fun Las Vegas footage. Like I said, there will be some Las Vegas footage included within this video. That is because I went to Las Vegas to celebrate my birthday. So let's get right into these unboxings. I'm going to start out with my favorite luxury fashion house, as a lot of you guys do know by now, Louis Vuitton. First item does come in a box like this. I'm extremely excited about this piece for different reasons. Let me go ahead and reveal to you guys the oh so pretty, so very stunning, so very gorgeous mini pochette in the black Empreinte leather. I was a little confused from the website. I did think that these logos were going to be of a white color, but as you guys can see, they are of a cream color, which I think looks absolutely gorgeous with this gold chain. You can see that the logos are on the front as well as the back. The sides and the bottom are of a plain black color. I think a lot of you guys are familiar with the versatility of the mini pochette. It can be worn as a little bag, which is so very cute, or if you'd like, you could take this clasp right here, unattach, reattach at this part, and you have a very cute wristlet. The interior to this little cutie is so very luxurious. It has a very smooth buttery glide, and the interior does have that very soft microfiber material. And a little icing to the cake, this piece was made in France. I was inspired to get this piece with the initial purchase a few months ago of my By the Pool pink Empreinte mini pochette. Both of these are so very gorgeous, but I have to admit my favorite of all time will always be the classic monogram canvas. And I wanted to share with you something that I think is absolutely gorgeous and you might be interested. Look how gorgeous this charm is on this mini pochette. I got this from a company called Zari Collections. They do specialize in making beautiful charms and accessories for your bags. I was fortunate enough to get a few different charms from this company, and I feel they really elevate my bags in such a gorgeous way. I do intend on using this charm on these mini pochettes as well. If you guys are interested in receiving a charm from Zari Collections, please do visit their website, enter the code LVLUXDELIGHT for 20% discount. If that's a little bit difficult to remember, the website and the discount code are located within the description box below. I think you guys get the point. I adore this piece and I absolutely cannot wait to use it. I'm very excited to show you guys the next item, which does come in this box. And when you open up that box, there is this box. Opening it up, it is very luxurious, I must say. This material right here is so very soft. And it comes in this dust bag. I'm thinking a lot of you guys have a good idea as to what's inside. So here are these gorgeous Louis Vuitton sunglasses. The details of these sunglasses are exquisite. I love the little V on the side right there, and also this little logo right here, as well as on the very front of the sunglasses, opposite side as well. The inside says Louis Vuitton, opposite side says where it's made, in this case made in Italy. This is what they look like on. I'm loving the fact that I am protected from the sun, not only from the front but from the side angle as well. I think these look so very cute when you want to wear your hair up. Very, very pretty. I'm impressed for sure. So yay, I'm loving these sunglasses. As much as I adore those items, I must admit the best is yet to come. But before I unbox those items for you, let's briefly head to Las Vegas, come right back here, and I'll unbox for you guys what I was very shocked to receive, yet extremely excitedly shocked, if that makes sense. I think you guys might be too. So let's go. We just arrived at the Wynn, and I have to say I'm so impressed by it. I didn't think I was going to be this impressed. This is the bathroom. Very, very nice. Very nice vanity as well. And then going in this direction. Oh, and I did bring my Louis Vuitton Keepall 50 that has a lot of Louis Vuitton inside. And then I also brought my By the Pool Speedy 25. I adore this bag and I was so happy I got to bring it because, as you guys know, it's summer, it's Las Vegas, it's not gonna rain. I did get a panoramic king room. Alexa, open drapes. Let's see if she listens to me. Okay. She listened. Alexa, open shears. Okay. So, I imagine the view at night is going to be amazing because you guys can see over there Let's see if we can zoom in. Treasure Island, Mirage, the Palazzo right there. This is a great experience for my birthday, and I'll have to look into massages to see if I can get one booked. Yay. I'm really loving this resort. I love the fact that it's not crowded considering COVID is going on right now. That was a concern of mine, so that's a very good thing. Also, it's 104 degrees outside right now, and we found shade. Yay! I think you guys know by now I like to bring Louis Vuitton around with me, and I did bring this Louis Vuitton Toiletry 26. I have it customized to my liking. There is a shoulder strap that I obtained from Amazon.com, also this acrylic charm, and this charm that I did buy from Louis Vuitton. So very cute. Definitely looking forward to doing some shopping tonight and seeing what I get for my birthday. I'm ready for a massage. I'm ready to relax. I can show you guys a little bit of what I am experiencing. I have half an hour before massage. They do have heated lounge chairs in here. So very beautiful atmosphere. Who doesn't like to relax, right? Beautiful area to wait for a massage. That is cold water over there. That is lukewarm water right there. And then that's jacuzzi hot water right there. Those chairs right there are heated. So I think I'm going to try everything out before going into the eucalyptus steam. This is definitely a very 5-star experience as far as getting a massage. I have my coffee, I have my mixed nuts, and now I'm going to see how warm this thing is. So. Gosh, this feels amazing. Hey guys, obviously I made a few stops. This one I was really surprised by, and I can't wait to show you what's inside. Here we have some aftermath. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to show you what's in here. I did not see that coming. Actually, especially what's inside here and there. I'm excited about all of them. That was definitely a lot of fun. I will include more Las Vegas footage in my next video. Now let's get into the very best part of this unboxing, in my opinion. It does come in this Saint Laurent box. Could this be my new favorite luxury bag? It's definitely a possibility. Let me go ahead and show you guys. New to my collection. So very pretty. Yes, it peaked. Saint Laurent medium size envelope bag, black leather, shiny silver hardware. I was thinking between this bag or the small Lulu bag, and I did choose this one. The hardware, like I said, is so very shiny and just glistens in an unbelievable way. Obviously, this bag can be worn over the shoulder like so, and if you simply drop this down, you have a gorgeous crossbody bag. The interior is very well made, very sturdy. It's a big opening and can fit quite a bit. Really quick, I do want to show you that this does have the leather on the top, so it's very, very soft on your shoulders. And again, if you look at this hardware, you will see that it is beyond shiny, beyond beautiful, beyond gorgeous, beyond my comprehension. I'm looking at this and forgot to point out the fact that this does have a back pocket right here, so you could easily fit your phone if you wanted to. That's a very nice convenience. To say that I'm impressed with this medium-sized envelope Saint Laurent bag would be a little bit of an understatement. I must admit, I think I'm becoming a little bit obsessed with this brand. So I'm absolutely ecstatic to have this gorgeous Saint Laurent bag added to my collection. I know it will get a lot of use. I cannot wait to use it. So very happy to now have it within my collection. Next item up was inspired by the purchase of that gorgeous Saint Laurent bag. It does come in this box. When I was at the store, this was literally staring at me, begging to come home with me. So here we have a beautiful and gorgeous Saint Laurent card holder to match that bag perfectly. Really can't get over the beautiful leather and craftsmanship of these YSL pieces. In the back, it's so very detailed, as well as the front. Please disregard this card right here. I did not see that, but you can see that there are plenty of room for cards in the front, Plenty of room for cards in the back, and I am presuming, yes, there is space in the middle if you'd like to add more cards. This card holder comes in an array of colors. I'm glad I have the one to match my bag, but I must say I'm tempted by all of them. I also want to mention the feel of this card holder. It almost has a puffy-like texture. So this is very well made, very gorgeous, very happy to be within my collection. Can't wait to use it. Can't wait to use that bag. I feel very, very fortunate. We made it through part 2 of my Louis Vuitton Mega Massive Luxury Birthday Unboxing haul. If you guys happen to have any comments or questions on the items I did go over, the Louis Vuitton Empreinte Bicolor Mini Pochette, the Louis Vuitton sunglasses, the Saint Laurent medium envelope bag, the Saint Laurent card holder, please do leave those in the comment section below, as I do love hearing from you. Okay, now is the time within the video where I'm going to completely transition topics from speaking about luxury to speaking about something that's definitely more insightful, meaningful, and inspirational. Today, I wanted to go over the very important topic of protecting your peace. One of the most important things you can do for yourself within your life is to make your peace of mind your #1 priority. The reason it deserves to be one of the top priorities within your life is because your peace of mind truly is your happiness. Peace stealers are basically anything that is negative around you. Peace stealers can be people. Peace stealers can be feelings such as anger, sadness, hurt, or betrayal, or even feelings of perceived failures or regret. The enemy will sometimes try to invade our mind with these types of thoughts, but the good news is, obviously, God knows, and He did give you the spiritual armor to fight back when any of those peace stealers try to invade your mind. The pathway to peace in this life truly does take a lot of faith. One of my favorite verses in the Bible does come from John 14:27, where Jesus says, "I am leaving you with a gift, peace of mind and heart, and the peace I give is a gift the world cannot give, so do not be troubled or afraid." There's a reason why I say it so many times within my channel. The way you start your day really sets the tone for the way the rest of the day is going to go. Start your day off right by connecting with God, making the declaration with Him that no matter what situation, what person comes your way that day, you are going to stay in peace and live in faith. Because as we all know, those peace stealers are going to try to come and invade our minds. How easy it is to feel down, how easy it is to feel depressed, how easy it is to feel angered, how easy it is to feel hurt. These feelings will come, they're inevitable, and when they do come, you need to hold on to God's peace with all your might, with all your spirit, and you will see that you will remain in peace and maintain your happiness. We only have one life to live. Think about that. One life to live. We need to be living it to the fullest. We need to be living it wisely. We need to be living it the way God intended us for us to live. After all, besides salvation, a wonderful thing, He did give us the authority to trample all that the enemy tries to bring against us. Life really is a roller coaster full of ups and downs, but it's so important to keep our minds stable along the road of life. There is freedom in peace of mind. Why? Because peace of mind truly does equal happiness. Simply don't take the bait when things don't go your way during the day, when someone is being hurtful, when something is going wrong. Keep your peace. Once you feel God within your spirit, your entire perspective will do a 360 onto how you view that day. God is the one source that will never hurt you. He is always for you, and He will always want you happy because you are His child. You are made in His image. Spirituality truly is a wonderful thing. Hold tight to your faith. Keep the peace that you truly deserve. So that is what I have to say on the topic of protecting your peace. If you happen to have any comments or questions on the topic I did go over, and or any comments or questions on my Louis Vuitton Mega Massive Luxury Birthday Unboxing Haul Part 2 out of 3, please do leave those in the comment section below. As a lot of you guys know by now, I absolutely love, love, love hearing from you. I thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Until my next, which obviously I'm very, very excited about, Part 3 of my Louis Vuitton Mega Massive Luxury Birthday Unboxing Haul. You guys take care. I look forward to seeing you very, very soon. Bye.